Hello, everyone. I am Igor Alcantara, and I'm here to do a React video. But wait, it's not the kind of React video that you used to, like you see on TikTok or Instagram. There's a different one. I will react to the new features that are becoming available in Qlik AutoML next month. So today is June 28th. This is when I'm recording this video. So I will show you the new features that will be available in about 2 weeks. So you don't have to wait much. So in about July 15, July 16, approximately, those new features will be available. So this is what we're going to do. We'll compare Qlik AutoML current features and future features. I've watched a few webinars. I've watched presentation demos, but I never play with those. So this is the first time actually playing. So I hope I do a good job. I'm not going to edit this much. So whatever I'm finding is what you're watching. So let's see. Let's hope for the best. So let me share my screen. There we go. So this is the current version. The current is the current tenant. So there's a current version of Qlik Cloud everybody has available. This is a different one. This is a future version of Qlik AutoML, the one that will be released in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna take my DeLorean to go to this. So let's start with the current version. And let's go to the green magic button, add new, and let me find new ML experiment. There we go. And I will use like a classic data set for machine learning training. Let's use the Titanic. Why not? Titanic. All right. And I'll save in my personal space. Let's click create. All right. There's the Titanic data set. I will select it. Let's go to the future environment and let's do the same. Let me click add new experiment, and same name, same space, create. And let's select the same data set. There you go. Easy. All right. So let's go back to the current environment. Let's see. Do we see any differences? Just looking closely, small differences. In the current version, we have the select the target message. Here, we don't have that. Not a big deal. Other than that, everything seems similar. The same insights were found. Great. So let's select our target. So let's do a classification. Let's select survived. Let's try to predict if the person survived or not the Titanic. So I click the target here, and let's take a look at what we find here. There's a current version, so then we have a comparison. So target we have selected, basically the same. Then we got, and this is a very simple Titanic data set, but anyway, let's go algorithms, the same 8 classic that we have for classification. Of course, this is a current version. Hyperparameter optimization, that's what we have. We don't recommend you to run our hyperparameter optimization on the first training or the first experiment, but you have the option to check it if you want to. That option, actually, this is new compared to earlier versions. We did not have that. And then let's go to pre-processing. These are the classic 5 tasks. All right. Now let's say the same in the future version. So let me go ahead and select survived. Again, features, same. Let's see, algorithms, same 8 algorithms. There's a binary classification. Now, model optimization. Oh, this looks different. Select intelligent or manual. Intelligence recommended. Manual, what's that? Oh, I see. Manual, you can force it, hyperparameter optimization, even in the first try. You got a warning message. If you want to turn it on, you can. I'm not going to turn it on. Let's do this intelligence. And pre-processing, same 5. All right, so pretty much same. Let me click run experiment. let me ignore this for now. And let's run experiment here as well. There we go. So this is running. So I have the message pre-processing here. Let's check this. So I don't see those messages. I see on the bottom. So small change. Also, look at over here. We see the modules on part of the screen, but in the current version, it takes the full screen, the width of the full screen. Okay. Let's see if any of those runs faster. So this one is almost finished. This one is almost finished. All right. Oh, skipping. It's continue to train. All right. This is finished. Let's see this one almost. So the current one, apparently for this example exercise, it doesn't mean it's all the time, but apparently it's slightly faster. So we got same. We have the different matrices classification. So if we had like a regression, you would expect things like the R square, the RMSC. Let me try to remember the MAE, the MSC, the mean absolute error, the mean square error, the root mean square error, and the R square. Because this is a classification, these are the F1 area under the curve, precision, accuracy, recall. So this is a matrix we see. It's using the F1 to select the best module. Okay, and that's a cat boost classification. So that's the current one. Let's take a look at this. So we got a different one. We got logistic regression, F1, pretty much the same. Interesting. We got here module training summary. I'm assuming this is for like transparency and explanation. Decisions like, oh, these fields would drop because there's a high cardinality, or this module would drop because there's a very low performance or something like that. But pretty much that's what I would expect. And then you got permutation importance, SHAP importance, R, area under the curve, and confusion matrix, which is what we already have. So this is an addition to what we have here. Okay. Now, this is the current version. Now let's see the additions for the future version. So I got this two new tabs. This is cool. So compare. Let's see what is compare. I guess it's comparing the different modules. Let's see. Module comparison. Yes. So I have, these are the modules. And interesting. So this is a cat boost. This is a interesting. So I have the different modules here, all version 1. Oh, look at this. I can select different metric to analyze it. So let's say I want to do based on recall. And so I select recall, and then I got different one. No, I don't think so. Then I got accuracy. Yeah, accuracy is a different precision. Okay, this is cool. So you can select different metrics to plot it. And what is this? Model comparison. Oh, we have a scatter plot. We can compare one metric to another. So let me compare F1. That's my X to, actually, let me compare precision to recall. Okay, like high precision, not as high recall, and vice versa. And I can color that by F1. That's fine. This is pretty cool. And we can make multiple selections and filters. Now, details. Let me see what's that. Oh, that's basically the same, but in a table format. All right. Oh, look at this hyperparameter. So I see the hyperparameters in for each one of the modules. So we have the depth, gamma, interactions, oh, look at this, the penalty scores like the L2. I'm assuming we'll have the L1 somewhere here as well. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We do have in the current version, kind of, if you click on the hyperparameters, we have some of those, but then you need to go to each module and click it. This one is nice. Can we export this? I don't see the option to export. That would be cool if we have it. Now we have another tab, Analyze. So what's that? Let me see. All right, so I got 3 visualizations here, and it would be cool if we can we add edit more. Oh, look at this. Edit model details. What's that? Oh, just name and description. I expected too much of this. So, all right, though. So that's the module I have selected as a logistic regression. That's the target. And then we have, these are the features. Okay, this is cool. I do this in Qlik app. I do also usually Qlik app to analyze a module for MLOps kind of task, etc. But we got this here, so it saves a little bit of time. So a little bit of confusion matrix here. Also confusion matrix in a stack bar chart. So these are basically the same, but different in KPIs of stack bar chart. We got the SHAP statistics. I wrote a ebook, by the way, about SHAP statistics. And then let's see, prediction of future distributions. So now, I can select a feature. So let's see, based on sex. So survive or not survive. So females, we got, we predicted all females wrong if they, what's that? Yeah. Oh, all the females we predicted they would not die, we failed the model. This is interesting. The males were different. And what's that? That's just the feature distribution. Okay. Now, if I do age, okay, and class, crew, first, second, third class. Okay, crew, everyone survived. He predicted correctly, I think. Yeah. Good. And what's this? Impact by feature. So let me select age. So box plot. How about class? Box plot. Sex. Box plot. Okay. Just a few box plot. Okay. It's pretty cool. This video is already too long. So let me finish it. Let me go back to my face. So this is what we expect in the next release of Qlik AutoML. So it's just a quick react. Let me know if you want to see anything else more specifically, so we can do a little more specific videos. This was not a training video, tutorial, how to anything. So I try to focus on reacting to what we are expecting the next release. Let me know what you think in the comments. Share this if you think this is valuable. And also let me know how you envision yourself using these new features and how they will help your work once these are available. All right. Thank you for watching, and to you next time. Goodbye.